Right now, you're moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, and you don't even feel it. Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. The Earth is constantly spinning, and you're spinning with it without even noticing. Now imagine something unbelievable. What if the Earth suddenly stopped rotating? For just 1 second? It's only 1 second. That doesn't sound like a big deal, but that single second could become the most destructive moment in human history. Before we find out why, let's understand what's happening right now. The Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours. At the equator, the surface is moving at around 1,040 miles, or 1,670 kilometers every hour. Everything on Earth is moving together. You, your house, the oceans, the atmosphere, even the air around you. Because everything is moving at the same speed, you never notice it. It feels like you're standing completely still. But what if the ground suddenly stopped? While everything else kept moving? The very instant the Earth stopped, your body wouldn't stop with it. Just like when a car suddenly slams on the brakes, your body keeps moving forward. Except this wouldn't happen at highway speed. It would happen at over 1,000 miles per hour. Cars would be launched through the air. Trees would snap like toothpicks. Buildings would collapse. Anything not firmly attached to the ground would continue moving east at incredible speed. People wouldn't even have time to react. Within a fraction of a second, cities around the world would turn into fields of flying debris. And that would only be the beginning. The oceans are moving with the Earth, too. If the land suddenly stopped, the water wouldn't. Billions upon billions of tons of water would continue rushing forward. The result would be gigantic waves unlike anything ever seen in human history. Entire coastlines would be swallowed. Ships would be thrown onto land. Major coastal cities could disappear beneath walls of water. The oceans themselves would become unstoppable weapons. But the oceans aren't the only thing that keeps moving. The atmosphere is spinning, too. If the Earth stopped, the air would continue racing around the planet at tremendous speed. Imagine winds moving faster than the speed of sound. These winds would flatten forests, rip roofs from buildings, throw cars through the air. Dust, glass, metal, and rocks would become deadly projectiles flying in every direction. Simply stepping outside would be impossible. Even places far away from the oceans wouldn't be safe. The sky itself would become one of the greatest dangers. Now remember, the Earth only stopped for 1 second. After that single second, it starts spinning again. But by then, the damage has already been done. The sudden stop, followed by the sudden restart, would send enormous shock waves through the planet. Roads would crack, bridges could collapse, power grids would fail, communication systems would be knocked offline. Millions of lives could be affected in less time than it takes to blink. All because of a pause. That lasted only 1 second. So, could this actually happen? Thankfully, no. The Earth contains an unimaginable amount of rotational energy. Stopping an entire planet instantly would require a force far beyond anything humans could ever produce. So this remains a science fiction thought experiment. But it teaches us something incredible. Every single day you're traveling at over 1,000 miles per hour, yet you never feel it. The Earth's steady rotation is one of the invisible reasons life feels normal. It's easy to forget that we're all passengers on a giant spinning planet flying through space. The next time you wake up, remember this. You're already moving faster than most airplanes, without taking a single step. And if that motion ever stopped, even for just 1 second, the world would never be the same. So here's a question for you. What impossible what-if scenario should we explore next? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending science stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.